So how do you feel now that the movie's out?
I really don't exactly know how I feel. I'm excited, I'm nervous, I'm really happy, I'm overwhelmed and overjoyed. Sa lahat-lahat po talaga ng premiere night at sa lahat ng nag-aabang ng Etiquette for Mrs.
Kailan ka excited na dito sa show na?
Sobrang excited because I haven't been working for 5 years and to be back on the big screen, knowing na maraming tao ang susuporta at nagustuhan yung pelikula habang nagpa-premiere kami, nakakataba ng puso at talagang nakaka-touch talaga for a comeback movie na napili ako dito. And of course, hindi namin ito ni Mr. Salino and Direct Chito kasi the first movie was Bob and ito yung pangalawa. So talagang I'm really thankful to Star Cinema, sa Viva, sa Direct Chito.
After the big screen ba? Sa small screen ka naman talaga?
Well, maybe, but merong planong kumain sa dito. Pero yung sa TV, hindi pa talaga namin napag-usapan. At kung meron ng confidential pa
What's your reactions that more of your scenes were talagang pinalakpakan ng mga manonood?
Alam nyo, naiyak talaga ako kanina. Even before coming here, I was really very emotional. Kasi nga, alam mo yun, kasi ang acting is talaga my first love.
Yes.
And for you to leave that, for you to leave this world, and talagang yung passion ko, lahat, nandun pa rin kahit wala ako. So ngayon na nung balik lahat, parang sobrang I'm really very emotional. I'm thankful and grateful kasi ang ganda ng project at saka andun lahat ng pamilya. Talaga naman talaga kapag sinabi mong Chicaron, talaga masterpiece yun. And siguro another thing that made me so emotional was that my parents and I, when I was going through so much, andun sila. And nagkataon na birthday ng daddy ko, 78th birthday niya today, habang premiere night. So I think this is the best gift na naibigay ko sa daddy ko.
Siguro yung lessons na lang na maiiwan nito sa mga manonood natin.
You know, people always think it's all about glorifying mistresses, but really, when you get to see the movie, makikita mo yung morals, yung mga values, na it will educate you, and it will make you think twice. Talaga, kung papasukin mo talaga yung buhay na may kahate, or titiisin mo na lang maging mag-isa. Basta matututo yung tao ng paglabas nila, mag-iisip talaga sila ng mga 10 times bago nila pasukin itong buhay na to.
Lastly, if you're in the position of Chloe, your character, would you do the same thing? Yung sa decision na yun?
Yes. Sabi nila kasi na kapag daw ang mistress mo humarap na sa wife, and nakita nila yung pain na pinagdadaanan ng family, talagang research siya, pero talagang lumalayos sila, nagbabagong buhay. Kasi kapag babae na sa babae, naglabasan na ng sama ng loob at pinakita kung anong laking gulo at anong sakit ang nadudulot ng tao sa isang pamilya na tahimik sana. Talagang ako, yeah.
Sir, you have question? Finally, Clau, invite all your fans and all the kapamilya to watch the movie.
Thank you po sa inyong lahat, talaga sa lahat na sumusuporta sa Etiquette for Mistresses. Maraming salamat po. On behalf of Mr. Salino, China Crappy, sa Calzado, Kim Chu, Direct Chito Ronyo, this is on the Star Cinema. We are really so thankful and grateful sa lahat po ng pagmamahal na pinagpita ninyo at sa support ninyo. Promise po, hindi sayang ang pera ninyo dahil matututo po kayo.